Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. It's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Got a couple days worth of growth there. I am ready for a shave. Today is going to be an all Stirling shave. Today's shave soap is Queen of Hearts. Now I really enjoy this scent. Some people may say it's a little bit on the feminine side, but to me, I get this nice kind of sweet, warm scent. And my nose picks up like a sandalwood, an amber, a vanilla. So it kind of all comes together, you know, like with the sweetness of the caramel. You can look up the scent notes if you want later. I do have the matching splash with the Glacial. I have some unscented balm here. I'm going to be using the Stirling Hyper Aggressive. Look at the blade gap on that baby. And I need it today. Got a bowl full of hot water here. I do have the lather already whipped up. Using my Stirling brush. Now originally I think this had a bore knot in there and I just wasn't real happy with it, and at some point I pulled the knot and put a mixed knot in there, so it's 70% badger and 30% boar. So it kind of gives you that nice transitionary feel. It does have a little bit of scratchiness to it, but it also has the nice fluffy soft badger tips, or you know, bristles. So I don't know, in the beginning I really liked that firm brush, and then I kind of transitioned over. I tried a bunch of synthetics that just didn't have the backbone, and then I went kind of down the badger hole, so to say. And let's just take a look at the lather there. Nice and peaky. And the one thing that I've learned over all of my experience, you can't really see it, but this knot is a like bulb knot, and I'm not really a big fan of that. But here comes the Dobie. So they were buzzing her meal was ready at Ponderosa. I forgot what I was saying. My wife's watching her, and we've got one of those collars that you can either beep, buzz, or shock. And my wife's downstairs, and she was wanting her to come down there, but Callie wanted to be up here with me shaving, and so she's actually laying on the bed now. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the shave going. I kind of thought this was going to be a quick shave and probably not a lot of talking, and now I feel like I've been doing a lot of lip flapping, and it's time to make the magic happen. So this blade combo and razor is very excellent, nice and close. And if you like an aggressive close shave, it doesn't really have a whole lot of blade feel, but you can tell that it does have some bite if you're not careful. A lot of people could get away with a one-pass shave with this one, but you know, we're here. We're going to do the 2 passes like I always do. Gotta be careful down in there. Especially when you're talking, that Adam's apple's moving. Little badger hair there poking out. Yeah, that knot, it works. I may pull that knot out and put a different knot in there. Did I mention I think this is one of the most aggressive razors that I have? Let me get lathered up here for pass number 2. Yeah, I feel like a fan knot. I kind of enjoy that a little bit more just because I like to kind of splay a little bit. And with the bulb knot, you know, you're just getting that smaller surface area there. And when you get to splaying, it kind of puts a little bit more pressure just on that tip, so it can kind of really dig in. And I don't really like that feeling as much. You can see another hair is about to come out of there. All right, pass number 2 across the grain. It's Sunday. Are you guys ready to start the new week? Not me. I got some stuff coming up I'm not really looking too forward to. Kind of right in there with the that action. I know I've actually cut myself before, not with this particular razor, but with other razors. You gotta be a little bit careful. Slight to no pressure with this razor works best. It's probably the closest feel you're going to get to a straight razor. This would be the one. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water. I'll be right back. Wow, if that's not close, I don't know what is. I really enjoy that razor. All right, it's time for a little bit of menthol. You guys know I love menthol. That's the one thing about the PAA splashes that I do miss. I wish there was a little bit of menthol in there. And whew, whatever machine put that in there, they sunk it deep. Oh yeah. Oh yes, yes. All right, time for a little bit of the Stirling. And I remember why my camera doing some funny stuff here. This stuff is kind of more like a lotion. It's kind of thick. And that's kind of why I stopped using it, to be honest. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used. And I had a nice shave. Maybe not so quick because I kept gabbing. But anyway, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. You have a great rest of your weekend.